Hey there, I'm Jen Filzen of Rockstar Marketing, and I wanted to tell you about my experience with electrical diagnostics. Now, I love cars, but I am not a technician. I'm a marketer. I really don't know anything about how to fix a car. I know a lot about the car, but honestly, I confess I cannot even open up the hood of my Mini Cooper Countryman. I'm just not technical. But I'll tell you something that happened, and I wanted to share this because I think it's really important for anyone who is like me, who is not technical, that brings their vehicle in for service, okay? So I am part of the auto repair industry, but like I said, I'm a marketer. I am not the wrench turner. And I went to Vision. Vision is the largest training opportunity in the auto repair industry. And I just went to Vision 2024. And I signed up for multiple classes. And I decided to sign up for a class called You Teach, Why Do Students Not Learn? And because I'm very interested in marketing classes, I thought, well, I'm going to go ahead and sign up for this class because it sounds very interesting as an instructor. And it turns out that it was a class about electrical diagnostics. It was taught by a guy named Sam Houston, A-Tech training. And when I saw that there was a bunch of technical equipment on the tables, I was like, uh-oh, I'm not a technician. Maybe this is a technician's class. I wasn't really sure. So I approached the instructor and I said, hey, Sam, I'm Jen. I am not a technician. Is this class going to be something that I should stay for or not? Because I can go find a different class. And he says, no, it's okay. This is a class meant for non-technical people. It's about teaching things, and are the directions clear? I was like, okay. So anyway, I proceeded to stay, and I tell you what, I loved this class. I'll tell you why I love this class. I'm not technical, but I learned how to do electrical diagnostics. And so what happened is that Sam gave us the materials, and it showed us the electrical diagram and what everything meant. And so we went to the relay board and we took, if it says put in the red wire to this part, then I went ahead and did that. And then take the blue wire and take it from here to here, take the black wire, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. And so I learned how to do it. And then I followed the instructions, learning how to do electrical diagnostics. And it would say, okay, enter a fault code. So I would create a fault code, and then suddenly it was broken. And then I had to figure out by using a volt reader on or a volt measuring tool to figure out where the fault was. And it was so cool because I felt like I was learning something new and learning something cool that I wouldn't have experienced doing otherwise. And the reason why I'm making this video, why I'm talking to you, is I wanted to talk to you about diagnostic fees and why diagnostic fees are usually charged. Because in working with auto repair shops across the country, I and my team, we're the ones who are responding to a lot of 1-star reviews, 2-star reviews. And what happens is that people like me who are not technical, all we know is that we take our vehicle to the shop and we trust the shop to figure out what's wrong with the car. And sometimes we'll see a diagnostic fee on there, but we won't understand what that means. We just think, oh, well, of course they've got to figure out what's wrong with the car. That's part of their job. Why am I getting charged for this fee? Well, I'll tell you, this class helped me understand why shops charge for a diagnostic fee. And it is all of the years of experience that they put into figuring out what the trouble is with your vehicle. And it's also the cost of the equipment that they're using, as well as the cost of the training that they go through. So think of it this way. When you go to the doctor's office, the doctor will have you go through a series of tests. Maybe you're going to the bathroom and peeing in a cup, right? Maybe you're taking some blood work. Maybe you are going through various scans. And it's after they take those tests, then they can determine what is going on with you. And I don't know about you, but when I'm at the doctor, I am not disputing, well, why are you charging me for this diagnostic fee? Well, clearly they need to know what's going on with me and look deeper inside of me before they can truly give me a diagnostic, an analysis of what is wrong with my health. The same thing is going on with your vehicle. And then let's talk about things like AutoZone and Advanced and different shops like O'Reilly, different parts places that will say, oh, we'll show you the codes. So what happens is that your car might have a code. And what that is it's giving you a general idea, but it's not like I did in the electrical diagnostics class. It's not taking it and touching each piece and figuring out what the voltage is. It's a different type of diagnostics. So I can have a general code, but that general code is going to give me a general idea of what's wrong with the vehicle. And maybe I can throw a part at it or two and replace it. Maybe it'll fix it, but it's nowhere near the same as taking a volt reader and checking each and every circuit, okay? So I just wanted to do this as like a public service announcement to anybody who is wondering, why do shops charge for a diagnostics fee? And it's because A, they have the experience that you and I lack, right? They also have the tools that will allow them to accurately read what is going on with your vehicle. And they also have gone through the training to know what to do after they discover where the fault lies and how to fix it. So I hope you find that helpful. And I hope that the next time that your favorite shop gives you a charge for the diagnostics fee, that you will accept it and appreciate the love and knowledge that they pour into your vehicle. Okay? So again, it's Jennifer from Rockstar Marketing. No one is paying me to make this video. I just wanted to do this as a public service announcement. And hopefully you'll find this helpful in your journey with auto repair shops, because a lot of them truly are pouring their love for vehicles and their love for people and making the world a better place, one auto repair at a time. And they're not out here to get you. They're here to help you. So please give them some grace as they charge, rightfully so, for their services. Okay? Have a great day and safe travels.